Welcome to our next topic, association rule mining. So here we will be understanding how a different type of problem, that is association based problem. So the question is, what is association rule mining? So association rule mining is nothing but to identify the associated items or associated information which help us to identify a rule or a kind of a sequence which will help us or lead us to a particular decision making process. Uh, if I give a simple example of association rule mining, that is, let's say two friends, they are coming to the class, and you can observe if one friend is coming to the class, another friend is uh, actually present inside the class, and definitely the vice versa. If another student is not present inside the class, so definitely another student also, the second student also absent from the class. So basically their association between two events may not be they are related, but somehow the data is giving kind of an indication these two events are occurring together. So those kind of situations or problems or examples can be considered as an association. And when you try to identify similar kind of chain, rule chain or association chain within the data, that is known as association rule mining. Now, why we need this association rule mining? Sometimes it happens that a complex machine learning model we apply to find a trend, but maybe due to the computation complexity, you may avoid those kind of method to find the association or find the trend within the data. So in that case, what you can do, you can use some simple concept of frequency or appearance of frequently appeared item within the data, and you can lead to a decision making. Let's say if a student 1 is coming to the class, then definitely student 2 will be present inside the class, and if student uh, B is not present in the class, so definitely first student will present in the class. So this is kind of a simple decision making approach. Also, another thing, maybe you can consider a case where those people who are purchasing, let's say, rice, definitely they will purchase maybe eggs or maybe any other item. Maybe you can consider the simple example, bread and butter. So the person who is buying bread, definitely he or she is buying butter. May not be for the same purpose of eating with bread, but maybe any other application. Still, because there is a association within the observation, so you can consider this is a single rule. Now, what are the algorithms will be understanding here? So we will understand here simple frequency based association rule mining. Uh, so that is the basic algorithm that is available for in the family of unsupervised machine learning. Then definitely when you have developed your association rule, so you have to measure whether it is a good association rule or bad association rule. In that case, we will be using two matrices, that is support and lift, for judging or for evaluating our decision rules. Support is nothing but the number of frequency or number of times a particular association or frequent items appearing within the group or within the entire data, and lift is nothing but the ratio of how frequently that particular item is appeared for specific case. And hope you understood what is the association rule mining and what are the matrices that will be used to actually measure the effectiveness or the quality of the rules. So at the end, I want to just tell, so basically what is rule mining? So association rule mining is nothing but a process where we are trying to identify some frequently appearing item within the data, and with the help of this association rule mining, we can easily do some kind of simple decision making approach, where based on the precursor we can easily determine or tell what may be the next event or what may be the next item. Hope you understood this topic of association rule mining. Definitely we will be implementing this same association frequency based association rule mining in Excel and in Python platform. So thank you for watching this video.